Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with a brand new set of verses for you to be able to read properly and to understand their meanings as well. I hope you're doing well and I hope you are enjoying these episodes. And I also hope that you are not just participating in what I'm doing, you're also reading them later as well. Do whatever you want to do in life, be successful in life, but be also a very good Muslim by understanding the Quran properly and by following it, so that you are successful here in this world and you are successful in the next world. So today we are going to we'll start from verse 17 of Surah Al Baqarah. I just mention it because of the fact that I had to mention it. It's a formality, but I'm sure you knew that we have to start from verse 17. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت وَاللَّهُ مُحِيطٌ بِالْكَافِرِينَ. Sadaqallahu Azim. I'm sure when I'm reading these verses, you have a text in front of you, because that's what the purpose is. And I also told you probably that the text should be just Arabic text. Don't have any translations in front of you, because you'll be distracted. We want the Arabic text to be read properly and to be understood, right? So now I am going to do its translation, breaking the verses into small chunks, components, and doing the translation. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We begin in the name of Allah, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. Mathaluhum. Mathal, example, mithal. Mathaluhum, their example. I'm sure that whom you already know. Mathaluhum, their example. Kamathalil lazi. Now, ka is like. Kamathalil lazi. Al-lazi is the same as al-lazina, except that al-lazina is many, plural, and al-lazi is singular one. Mathaluhum, their example, kamathalil lazi, is like the example of the one. Al-lazina, those who. Al-lazi, that who. The one who. Kamathalil lazi is like the example of the one. Istawqada, who kindled nara, a fire. Falamma, but when Adaat, he lightened, illuminated, ma hawlahu, the surroundings, what was around. I'm sure you know mahal, surroundings, environment. Falamma Adaat, but then when he lighted, illuminated ma hawlahu, the surroundings, Zahaballahu binurihim. Allah took away. When it's just Zahaba, it means he went. But when we have Ba coming later, then it means he took away. Zahaballahu binurihim. Allah took away their light. But tarakahum. Taraka, he left. Hum, them. But tarakahum, and he left them fi zulumatin, fi in, zulumat, darkness, ya'mahun, fi zulumatin la yubsirun, so they cannot see. Summun, they are deaf. Bukmun, they are dumb. Umyun, they are blind. La yarjun, so they will not return. They're not deaf, dumb and blind literally, but in the real sense, metaphorically, they are deaf, they don't listen to what is correct. They are dumb, they don't speak the truth. They are blind, they don't see what is right. So, summum bukmun umyun, they are deaf, dumb and blind, fahum la yarjun, so they will not return. Well, if they are not listening, if they are not watching, and if they are not using their tongue properly, they will not return. Aw kasayyibin, or it's like, ka is like, aw kasayyibin, or like rainstorm, minas samai, from the sky. Min, from, as-sama, sky. Fi, in it, zulumatin, there is darkness. Varadun, and thunder. Vabarq, and lightning. Yaj'aluna, they put asabi'ahum, their fingers, fi azanihim, in their ears. Minas sawaiqi, because of thunderclaps. Hazar al-maut, because of fear of death. Wallahu, and God, muhitun, is encompassing, is in control, bil kafirin, of these disbelievers. Difficult? Well, let's try it again. Nothing is difficult. It's just a matter of trying and trying again, and you will be able to master it, inshallah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mathaluhum, their example. Who's the people who were discussed in the last few verses? Those people who were deceiving Muslims, telling them what was not true, etc., not understanding and believing. Mathaluhum, their example, kamathalil lazi, is like the example of the one istawqada, who kindled nara, fire. So it's the example of the Prophet, may God's mercy be on him. He came to the Arabian society and he kindled fire. That is, he gave light of guidance. Falamma adha'at, but then when he lighted, did I say lightened sometime? Well, it was wrong. When he lighted, he illuminated, ma hawlahu, the surroundings. Zahaballahu binurihim, God took away their light. Wattarakahum, and left them fi zulumatin, in darkness, la yubsirun, so they cannot see. Summum bukmun umyun, they are deaf, dumb and blind. Fahum la yarjiun, so they are not going to return. Aw kasayyibin, or like rainstorm. That is, or their example is like that of a rainstorm. Aw kasayyibin, aw like a rainstorm. Minas samai, from the sky. Fihi, in it. Zulumatun, there is darkness. Varadun, and thunder. Vabarq, and lightning. Yaj'aluna, they are putting asabi'ahum, their fingers, fi azanihim, in their ears. minas sawaiqi, because of the thunderclaps. Hazar al-maut, for fear of death. Hazar, fear. Al-maut, death. Wallahu, and God, muhitun, has encompassed, is controlling, bil kafirin, these disbelievers. Let's do their translation, their reading once again, and try to focus. Keep the Quranic Arabic text in front of you. No translations. If there are any translations, put something in front of them so that you're just trying to focus your attention on translating yourself. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Mathaluhum kamathalil lazi istawqada nara falamma adha'at ma hawlahu ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. صدق الله العظيم. And God said the truth. We'll meet again inshallah in the next episode, and I hope that you're understanding the Quran, you're enjoying it, and you will revise what we have done right now. And inshallah, with the passage of time, we will understand the Quran more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.